Heidi ho, and welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. I'm going to try something a little bit different today. It's still a ring, but it's a toe ring, but I'm going to try and do a split toe ring. I'm going to make it out of a UK sixpence, or a Tanner, 1958. It's a good year for me. Does that give you any ideas? Right, first of all, I've got to punch a hole in it. Okie dokie. Right. Let's go over. Wait a minute. Let's tidy this up a bit. Let's go over to Big Bertha. She's leaking quite a bit today. Punch a hole in it. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. I'd be lost without this, living in an apartment. You can use a hammer, but respect thy neighbour. Have to hit it on the bottom. This might turn out to be a complete waste of time, but let's give it a go. Right. There she is. 1 sixpence. Punched. I've got some silver ones of these, so they're 50% silver. But for this little experiment, let's just use a normal sixpence. Because if I trash this, it's not a big deal. I still have to buy these though, but it's good to play, isn't it? This is a deburring tool, it just cleans up the edges. If I can hold the bloody thing, it's so small. That's pretty good. There you go. So let's show a little bit of love with a little bit of warmth and affection. This is called an earring. Yeah, some guy was asking me if I could, I didn't know much about toe rings, and he said, did I make split toe rings? And I hadn't, but evidently quite a lot of toe rings are split. And they're not exactly round, so I thought I'd give this a little bit of a play and see what we can do. So, what are we doing now? That does fit in there. So we'll go for, we'll go for the sixpence face up and the date. So that goes face down. This is 17-degree folding die. We'll go over to Big Red. And fold it. Now that will not go over. Oh, it does, just about. Going over to Spike. This is a ring stretcher. Right, use a bit of kitchen roll. I just use a little bit. Just a little bit. So if there's any of you ladies watching, you're looking for a toe ring, a split toe ring, I don't want to make it too big. There you go. Maybe a little bit more. Just a little bit. I'd say that's more than enough. There you go. So I'll now go down to the bottom end of spike and find one of these. These are reducing dies. That's pretty sexy. Or we could use this maybe. Yeah, this would be a good start. Just to straighten up these walls. I just want to straighten up them walls so they're straight. It's a bit cone shaped at the moment. We had a good weekend? Well, are you having a good weekend or not? Come on. Yes or no? Easy word. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I just maybe a touch more. And if you want to come back and check out my stuff again, I try and make a video every day. There's a little red button down there, bottom right hand corner about there. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed, and hit the bell icon. That ain't too bad. That's pretty straight. Right. So now I want to. What I want to do now, I really want to make it a little bit. I just want to give it a little bit of a. Because toe rings aren't exactly round, they're a little bit, and that doesn't fit. So I get my little and that isn't too clever neither. So I get one of these. Will that fit? No. This is turning out to be, oh, I can get it in there, just about. There you go, you see what I mean? Give it a little bit of a, get it over your toe shape. So now, Dave, and this is a cutting disc, and I just want to, what sort of text we got? I don't want to cut out most of the date. So I'll go for this side. This will be the underside of the ring. you go. So let's clean it up with a little bit of what we got. What we got here? Anything? I'll be back in a minute. I'll sit back. I have got a really tiny file here. I just want to clean up the edge a bit. If I do it with this. Yeah, I think so. How's lose your fingers, eh? I mean, this is the first one, so how's it looking? Not too bad. Maybe a slightly bigger file might help. Bear with me. It's a tiny file. There's something. It's a bit more manly. I suppose you could use sandpaper for this as well. But this is the first attempt, so this is the prototype. I'm just doing this to see if it would work. And obviously I do the cutting a bit better. I think Kate Bush would clean this up as well. Right, let's break out Kate. Where is she? Kate, where are you? Oh, I took her out, didn't I? For this. Right, there you go. Let's get Kate back in again. That cleaned up good. So this is a 6-pence toe ring and it's adjustable. You can squeeze them together, you can pull them apart. Yeah, that came out too bad. I would even sell this one. There's no rough edges on it. Kate Bush has sorted that out. Size-wise, it's a bit difficult for the, well, I suppose this is a size 48.5 or US. It's a size 4 3/4, or look, push it down, you can make it to 4.5. So there you go. One adjustable UK 6-pence 1958 adjustable toe ring. It worked out okay, better than I thought. And Kate Bush cleans it up really good. There's nothing in there sharp that's going to hurt you. Yeah, pleased with that. Who's a clever boy then? Right, thanks for stopping by, and hope you have a great weekend, what's left of it. Well, you've got Sunday. It's, what, +3 here today. Still dismal old day, no sun today, but there you go. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great Sunday, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye-bye.